where the goats feed here. That's why you see a lot of rubbish here. That's why you see I'm just sitting. Here we don't have a rake. That's why I'm using the broom from the other space. My special broom, that's why I'm using it now, because we don't have the rake. Because the rubbish too many and it is scattered here and there. That's why I'm moving with the wheelbarrow here. These local schools, children collect their rubbish with their hands. Should look clean as usual when even the visitor comes here. We find the compound is very smart and clean. Kindly subscribe my channel. I think you are enjoying my video as I am doing all the videos here and there, and more videos are yet to come here. comments welcome to another video. My name is Grace Kelly. Today I'm gonna show you how here in the village, in the harvesting time, how people do some work here. Here we harvested some groundnuts, and now I'm gonna show you how these are the groundnuts. See how they are. These are the groundnuts here. This is it. When we have harvested, we have to dry them. After drying them, and then we have to just make them to like this. We just it. When it is dry, it's hard to remove the skin, but when it is they are from the garden, it is very easy to remove the skin. Now, as you can see here, this is it. See how you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound as I am cracking them out. It is very hard here, even here in the village. Everything needs some courage just to do it, to do the work. This is the skin. After piercing, this is the skin here, as you can see. We usually enjoy the village. We don't buy anything. Like now, the groundnuts, it's from the garden here. We don't go any shopping to buy any groundnuts. It's a very, very, very kind moment. People are happy when you have harvested. You feel very happy. You feel very blessed, as you can see here. This is it. This is how we crack it. Can you feel the sound? Can you feel the sound? Wow. See? I think my fingers are going to hurt today because of the piercing, because the groundnuts are dry. That's why they are very hard to remove them. Very hard. See? After removing this, what you get. After removing the skin, this is what you get. Wow. It is very, 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 it is very interesting. We are blessed. See how the groundnuts are here. People enjoy. Like now in the market, like 1 kilo of groundnuts is like 150 shillings. That's Kenyan shillings. But in USD, it is $1.50. That's it. See, beautiful. Wow. We are blessed. We don't buy groundnuts. We don't buy maize. We don't buy any stuff like food. We don't buy vegetables. Everything is from the garden here. See, this is it. See how dry they are. Lovely, 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 very lovely. Wow. so much, and thank you for coming to watch my channel again. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel and give some comments, leave some comments, and click the bell, as you can see here. I love you so much. I love all my viewers. I love all my subscribers, all the ones that who have come to watch me back here. I thank you so much, and I love you. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.